Good morning. Are you eating eggs in a correct way? For years, millions of people avoided eggs because they believed eggs were bad for heart, a topic that has confused many people for decades. The question today is not, are eggs healthy? Actually, the better question is, are you eating eggs the right way? In today's video, I will explain 9 common egg mistakes that may affect your heart health and healthy aging. And let us have a look. Welcome back. My name is Dr. Magid and this is your channel Medicine Simply. In this channel, we try to simplify the medicine for you and make it easy to understand. And today we speak about very interesting subject, egg and health. If you like this video, at the end, you can share it with your friends. Of course, you know, eggs are one of the nature's most nutritious food. How do you cook eggs? Scrambled eggs, boiled eggs, or over easy egg? Write for me in the comment how you do it. All of us know that eggs provide high quality protein, vitamins, minerals, and important nutrients. Something called choline, which helps support your brain and your liver. This is very important for people above 50 years old. For most healthy people, eggs can be a part of a balanced diet. However, the way we prepare, combine, and think about eggs can make a big difference. Now, what are our 9 mistakes we have to notice and can be dangerous for your heart, for your brain, for your blood vessels, and for all your body? Mistake number 1, throwing away the yolk. Many people still believe that the yolk is unhealthy part, so they eat only the egg white. But here is what many people don't know. The yolk contains the most big part of your nutrition, the big part of choline, which your brain needs for memory, more vitamin D, which is a good source for becoming older, is harder for your body to make it from sunlight. So the yolk giving you vitamin D. Also, it has some vitamin B12, you need it for your nervous system, and selenium, which is a vital trace element, support antioxidant defense, thyroid function, immune health, reducing risk of certain chronic diseases and even cancer. Not only this, yolk contains vitamin A, and lutein, and zeaxanthin, which support eye health. To cut it short, egg white is an excellent source of protein, but the yolk contains many other good nutrients for your body. For most healthy adults, eating the whole egg can be a part of a heart-healthy eating pattern. For many years, people were told to avoid eggs because they contain cholesterol. Today, researchers suggest the opposite. For most healthy people, the overall eating pattern and amount of saturated fat in the diet have a greater influence on blood LDL cholesterol than eating alone. This does not mean everyone should eat unlimited eggs. It means eggs should be viewed as a part of a balanced diet rather than judged to be isolated if you have high cholesterol. And this is proven from the Dietary Guidelines of America in the years 2015 to 2020 that it does not raise cholesterol. They eliminated from the foods which is raising cholesterol. Mistake number 2, the way you cook eggs matters. Burning eggs or frying them at a very high temperatures with lots of butter, repeated heated oil may reduce the quality of your meal. Healthier cooking methods include boiled eggs, cooked but neither undercooked nor overcooked, soft scrambled eggs with healthy oil or mild butter, omelette with vegetable cooked over moderate heat. Practical example, think about toast. Golden brown is very different from burnt black. The same idea applies to eggs, and the more you boil or turn during scrambling, you are killing bacteria or salmonella inside your eggs. Mistake number 3, eating eggs with bacon every day. Many people blame eggs, but they forget what is the sitting besides eggs. Processed meats like bacon, salami, sausage are generally linked with poorer heart health when eaten frequently. Instead, try serving eggs with tomato, with mushrooms, with Spanish, with avocado. The meal matters, not just one ingredient. Mistake number 4, leaving cooked eggs in a summer heat. This is especially important during summer, during barbecue party, during holidays. Eggs and cooked egg dish should not be left out for long periods in hot weather. Warm temperature allow easily bacteria to multiply more quickly. If you are having a picnic or barbecue, keep egg dishes chilled, leaving in the fridge till you are just going to leave the house, and eat them within 1 hour, if possible, maximum 2 hours. Any food has been sitting in the heat for too long, it is safer to throw it away than risk food poisoning. Especially open buffet, counter egg salad as example, this can be very dangerous if it becomes more than 2 hours. Mistake number 5, thinking eggs alone make a healthy diet. Eggs are good food, but there is never a single food worldwide, even milk, can give you everything what your body needs. Healthy aging also depending on vegetables, healthy fruits, beans, whole grains, nuts, healthy unsaturated fat, and many things. Think that eggs is just a member of a team, not the entire team. Mistake number 6, drowning eggs in a butter or oil or cheese. Too much saturated fat in a breakfast, more than your body needs even for all the day, you just spend it before the day starts. So doing this daily can hurt you, and not for a Sunday eggs once a week, but every day. This will push your cholesterol, of course, not from the eggs only, but from the cheese and from the fat, what you have it, unsaturated fat in the butter or in oil. Solution is easy. Use olive oil or coconut oil or a butter spray. The amount must be very small. If you love cheese as example, use a cheddar cheese or a feta, which contains less saturated fat and also with small amount. Mistake number 7, ignorance your own health conditions. Nutrition is personal. Everyone is different than the other. This in my 30 years examination of many patients is really true. Some people have family history of hypercholesterol in the family. Some people have certain heart conditions themselves or their family. Diabetics, people of high risk of cardiovascular problems. If one of those conditions with you, discuss your diet with your doctor, even the eggs, and he will tell you how many eggs you are allowed a day. The goal is not to fear from a food, it is to choose the eating pattern that's right for you, which may be not right for another person in your age. Mistake number 8, contamination during cooking. After you open eggs, you must not touch anything. If you touch salad or a towel or a toast, whatever, general hygiene is very important by using eggs. Open the eggs, you had to wash the eggs before you open it, and then when you wash it, you just open it and put it directly in the plate. And this, honestly, women knows more than men. Even when we choose the eggs, we have to check cracks and wash them always with warm water and look for the expire date. This is very important. If you buy the eggs in the supermarket, look for the expired date. If you buy it by the farmer, you can be sure that's fresh. But if you buy it in supermarket, you don't know how long these eggs was not to be expired. Why is this important? Because of the bacteria and salmonella. Last mistake, mistake number 9. Using uncooked eggs in some foods like dressing, like chocolate bars, like custards, and some juice, like Hollandaise juice as example, without cooking. Those recipes can lead to inflammation. It can lead to bacteria, especially by seniors, because their immunity are less, and also by children. They can have salmonella in the holiday. Don't let your holiday become bad. Let you enjoy the holiday. So what is the solution? If possible in your country and you find pasteurized eggs to buy, this will be the best. If not, look for the date, as I said, look that the eggs is healthy, and I will give you now two other advices. A rule called 15 minutes rule. Never have the eggs from the fridge in hot water because this will crack quickly. Leave it to be little bit warmer outside for 15 minutes, then put it in hot water. My wife, as example, cooking the water first, then put the eggs when the eggs was being out from the fridge 15 minutes before. For omelets or scrambled eggs, add have a vinegar spoon to kill any bacteria can be inside. So finally, research is approved that people over 50 years do one of those mistakes, minimal one every day. Eggs are very good food, nutrition. The biggest mistakes usually not from the eggs themselves, it's from us. Now, write for me which mistake surprised you, which mistake you do, which question you have. And if you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to subscribe and send it to your friends. I hope that this video was beneficial for you. Thank you for watching. Was with you, Dr. Magid, Medicine Simply.